Vital Pump XL Gummies claim to revolutionize your daily supplement routine with a tasty, convenient twist, but do they actually deliver, or is this just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. Each serving promises 1,000 milligrams of apple cider vinegar along with added nutrients like beet juice, vitamin B12, and folate, all packed into a chewy, candy-like gummy. They're definitely flavorful, with a soft pectin-based texture that stands out compared to typical hard or rubbery supplements, and they're vegan, non-GMO, gluten-free, and manufactured in a GMP-certified facility, which gives some peace of mind when it comes to safety. But beyond the pleasant taste and feel-good branding, the real question is whether you actually feel a difference. For some, the energy boost from the B12 and the claimed support for digestion and metabolism might offer subtle benefits over time, especially if your diet lacks these nutrients. However, don't expect a miracle or instant performance enhancement just from popping a gummy or two a day, especially if you're already following a healthy diet. The convenience and taste are undeniable, but the results may vary depending on your body, lifestyle, and expectations. It's a supplement, not a solution, so while it might fit nicely into your wellness routine, it's definitely not a magic fix.